inside here building the new Mandalorian Lego speeder. This actually looks pretty cool. You get Baby Yoda and Mandalorian and a speeder. Alright. Alrighty, I got the stuff out of the box and now let's do this. Build the Mandalorian. If you guys never watched Star Wars, I suggest watching the Mandalorian. He's like a cool bounty hunter. He's just overall super cool. I like him. Looking for the head. Alrighty, we got the minifig there. Alright, now let's assemble Baby Yoda. It's small little Lego. Alrighty. Let me get the box on the paper down. I'm ready to start building. Get this piece right here. Let's get the second piece right here. Boom. Boom. There's the first part. Just like that. Yeah. What was I saying? So I'm gonna talk about a little bit about the Mandalorian. So he's basically a bounty hunter, like I said. And then his next target is this little guy named Grogu or Baby Yoda. But he doesn't. He was supposed to kill Baby Yoda, but he didn't. And ever since then, he was looking out after the little baby and watching him, and they went on crazy adventures. Then later on in the series, turns out this little guy is a Jedi. So I'm not gonna spoil it, but that's like a little brief little part of it. Then, if you guys watch the series, and if you really do like it, there's a movie coming out. And it's called The Mandalorian and Grogu movie. I'm super excited to watch it. I haven't seen a good Star Wars film for a while. Alright, let me put this part right here. Okay, so now you do this 2 times. On each side. Okay, now just attach them like that. Like so. These two, put them like that. Boom, boom. Just like that. And I forgot to tell you guys, I'm not going to be making Call of Duty Black Ops videos for a while. because there's something wrong with my new Xbox that it keeps saying it doesn't find an online server. So for a while, I'm not gonna make Call of Duty Black Ops videos. But once I do figure out what the problem is, I'm gonna get straight back on it and keep making them. But I'm thinking maybe later on I can start posting Call of Duty MW2, the newer version. And if I figure out, I'll play the older one as well. But that's for future me. Alright. Almost done here. Alrighty, that is it. This is actually looking pretty cool. Baby Yoda goes right there. Oh yeah, it's done. This is pretty cool little speeder. Oh, here's the other Lego sets that are coming out. I really do love this one and this one. Those two might be my favorite ones, and I'm going to try getting them. But that is it. I hope you liked this video, and like and subscribe. I don't know what you've been